Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Taurus and Toyota Camry. We'll dive into what makes each of these popular sedans unique, examining their strengths and weaknesses. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle aligns better with your priorities, whether you value power, efficiency, spaciousness, or advanced safety. Let's get started and help you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the Ford Taurus often features a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering up to 288 horsepower, with a high-performance variant reaching 365 horsepower. The Toyota Camry offers a robust 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horsepower, but also excels with its four-cylinder and hybrid powertrains. Camry hybrid models can achieve an impressive 53 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a leader in fuel efficiency. Inside, both vehicles prioritize comfort and technology. The Ford Taurus boasts a spacious cabin with over 102 cubic feet of passenger volume and 20.1 cubic feet of trunk space. The Toyota Camry offers 42.1 inches of front legroom and 15.1 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Both cars come equipped with essential safety features like multiple airbags and available driver assist technologies, ensuring a secure and connected driving experience for everyone. Considering long-term ownership, the Ford Taurus typically earns good reliability scores, with an average annual repair cost of around $697. However, the Toyota Camry is widely recognized for its outstanding reliability and lower recall rates. The Camry also consistently demonstrates strong resale value, often retaining more of its original price after several years. This makes the Camry a particularly appealing choice for those prioritizing long-term value and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.